Here's a 2013 Cadillac SRX. Beauty and functionality flow into one another, giving you an SUV that refuses to compromise. It comes nicely equipped with features you love: automatic transmission, gas pressurized shocks, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, refrigerated box located in the glove box, front heated leather bucket seats, front and rear camera parking sensors, active noise cancellation, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, and V6 engine. The Car Connection observes, inside, the look is uniquely American, and the hand-cut and sewn coverings on the instrument panel and ambient lighting make for a rich environment. Cadillac, second to none. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today.